There's a Cessna coming out on my roof. So he got louder only when he got near my house. Before that, he snuck up quietly.